Hi, this is Eric Ringer, and this is my post-mortem video going over the past 4 weeks of working on the Rehabit application. Summarizing the development process, I wanted to create an app that would make it easier for me personally because I had about right before this class I had knee surgery, um, so I wanted to just make an app of just different things that I would make it easier, like, remembering appointments, being, medications. You take a lot of pain medicines when you're recovering from surgery, so just keeping track of the different medications and setting reminders when to take them. It's just taking photos of, swelling or just how your whatever body part you had surgery with. And then uh, I've gone through physical therapy. I didn't have to do it this time because I had to have another surgery. So, but after that surgery, I'm gonna be doing physical therapy. So just being able just to videotape yourself doing exercises and to work with your physical therapist, I just think would make things a lot easier. And that's kind of why I decided to do this app. And then I wanted to kind of take the idea or the stuff that I've learned the past couple months, like the camera intent, list views. I have a lot of list views in my app with array adapters, and then doing stuff that I haven't done, which is I didn't do the video before, so that was kind of new, even though it's similar to taking the pictures, and then I didn't uh, working with the doing the YouTube video, which actually that was a challenge because originally I had was going to do work with this API, which I didn't fully read the documentation. I kind of got excited and jumped the gun on it. That I wanted it to keep track of movement. So if you're running or walking or cycling, it would keep track and return data of how far you went, how long you did it for. But in order to get that API to work, you have to use their app, which is the Move app. So it just didn't make sense for my app to be like, you have to download another app to get these features in my app to work. So luckily I was able to change it, and instead I found different exercise YouTube videos, and I was able to create a custom web view uh, so that way you can watch the videos. So that was a challenge because I just realized that on Monday. So just be able to get all that done and finished by today, um, I think was challenging myself. And then doing the slide-in menu was a mistake. So that was a valuable lesson learned. That was a mistake. I should have just right away did the navigation drawer and did fragments, but instead I did a slide-in menu with activities, and then I had to change everything this week to a navigation drawer and fragments. So uh, that that took time. It just took me a while to do all that, but I was able to do it. So that was an accomplishment in itself. And I think just the app overall, just how I tied it together, and the fact that I have the app, it works. There's no errors. Everything, all the features that I wanted are are working. So I do consider the app a success. I just don't know if it's ready to be released into the Google Play Store. I kind of still want to look into keeping track of movement feature, and I know with the Nexus 5 and with KitKat, I think there's a way to do that. So I just have to do some more research on that. And most valuable lessons learned, I kind of already talked about that, but just reading. If you're going to use a new API you've never done, reading all the documentation first before you commit to saying that you're going to use that API. So to me, that was a lesson learned. And yeah, so I actually enjoyed this class. It was very challenging, and I put a lot of hard work and many hours into creating this app. So I hope I did well on it, and thank you for watching, and I hope everybody else did well too. Thank you.